Hi, it's Fayana here. Hey, listen, anybody feeling like right about this time of day, you're just pooped out and you just need to find a way to just go and relax? I'm with you. Well, let me tell you, I got something here that I want to share with you. It's a DIY lavender bath salt. You can find it on doterra.com. It's super, super easy. We're looking at 2 ingredients here. So basically, it's a cup of Epsom salt. Now you can pick a bag of Epsom salts up at Walmart or anywhere for just $5, maybe $6. You can also go to the dollar store and get it for $1. Anyway, it's cheap, but it's fantastic. It's got so many amazing healing properties, even just in the Epsom salt. So you're gonna pour a cup right into a glass jar. Then you're gonna take our amazing lavender, which we all know is the best lavender in the world, and you're gonna put 5 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom, just like that. Then you're just gonna stir it around, and that's about as hard as it is to make lavender bath salts. How easy and how fun is that? Like I said, it's an easy way, it's pennies per scoop to have a wonderful oil-based lavender bath salt that you can enjoy. Put a little bit of it in your bath. You can even put a little bit in your hands if you're not a bath person. You can suds up with it in the shower, rinse it off that way. But a really, really great, easy way to just enjoy our lavender in the form of a bath salt. So I hope you enjoy it. Have a great night and don't forget to relax.